Yo, what's going on, guys? Oliver here, and right now we're making another video because the last one didn't turn out so good. You could barely see my face. And if you're watching that video right now, thank you. And don't know why we're playing let's see if we can play Minecraft. I'm hoping the screen records well because if it does, we'll be able to do so many games like this without a face cam because I don't want you guys to see my face. I don't want you guys to see someone playing a game. I want you to see, I want you to feel like you're there in the game. That's what I want to happen. So, if you don't feel like you're not, get Minecraft. It's an amazing game. Or get Roblox. Amazing game. Minecraft's better, but still pretty good on both ends. So, let's see if we can play Minecraft. Because in the last video we tried to, didn't work out. And thank you to everyone who actually views my videos. I really appreciate it. Let's try to get to 10 subscribers. If we can do that, well, yay. Like, you know. Alright, it doesn't seem to be laggy right now. Alright, guys. I think we might... the next video we'll play Bed Wars. Let's see if it's laggy. If it is, we'll play Bed Wars. That's always fun. Okay, yeah, good. Let's get here. Think we're like this much. Oh yeah, do you guys see that? We have a very good computer apparently. Let's put it to 200 and see what happens. Oh yeah, smoothly. Okay. Let's get into the Minecraft video. Woo! Oh good. Okay. Oh good. Oh good. Oh. Just kidding. We're gonna play some Bed Wars. Oh, dang it. We have to rejoin Minecraft. Hooray! This isn't gonna be a long video, and I actually just finished up eating some caramel corn. I have some right behind the computer. I'm not gonna eat it though. My baby cousin, he likes it. So if he's not able to eat it, so I'm just not gonna show it, so he doesn't see it. So yeah, right here is my background. I don't know why you see a yellow circle around it. I'll try to fix that as soon as possible. Sometimes I'm glad you can't see my face. Sometimes I'm glad, guys. Sometimes I'm glad. I will be doing live streams, and I will read your chats the best I can. If I don't read your comment, I'll try to read every single one of your guys' comments. And if I'm not able to, I'm sorry about that. I think we need like 100 or 1,000 subscribers to do that now. So, oh, lag. Try this again. Come on. Just put it full screen resolution. Yes. Unlimited frames. Oh, do you guys see that? Ooh, I just like fixed it. Okay, let's play some 4v4 Bed Wars, and as you can see, no lag, as unlike face cam. Yeah, that sucked. I had face cam, and let me just tell you guys, it didn't work. I made Bed Wars this map. You made this map. GG, dude. GG if you made this map. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I didn't get the team with 4 players. Thank God. We got a speed builder. Huh! get some emeralds. Emeralds. Ooh. Hey. Ah, did you guys see what that just did? So we already got an emerald. We're gonna try to get a diamond. Oh, someone disconnected already. Ooh, that's... Oh yeah, it's unbreakable. No, wait. What? Okay. What do we need? What do we need? We need gold. We need gold. Give me the gold! 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 Give me the gold. Wait, don't shout. Who wants to be in my vid? Oh, I didn't shout. Alrighty then. Shout out to vampire. Okay. Shout out. Shout. Who wants to be in my video? Oh, well, okay. Shout to you. Oh. I'll open the door to the fan. Oh, I got it. Turn on the fan.
Lucas is gonna take a bath and probably go to bed. So.
Okay. Don't worry, guys. I'll make it so you guys will be able to watch the whole gameplay. Because even if we fail, I will not upload the video, and I'm just making one tomorrow. So I want you guys to see the whole good content. Oh, pro player, I'm a god. Well, shout out to you, pro. Shout out to my team. Yo. That's really fun. Oh no, oh sorry, my cousin's crying. Guys, never mind, I think this might be the end of the video. Sorry that it didn't last long, but I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Have a good night. Goodbye.